pretty much nothing makes a man more happy than that sound, right? So this is an absolutely amazing, epic, wonderful set of sockets, right? The impact sockets always have the black finish, but it's this great matte black finish. I don't know if I said this already or not, but these are a 3/8 inch size drive, which is a little unusual for an impact set because normally impact sets have the big 1/2 inch, but you just put an adapter on there like that. You're ready to go to town, fix some stuff. These things are gonna last you pretty much forever. They are bulletproof. They have this really nice etching on them so you can clearly see which size you're looking for. They have the cutout so you can have the detent for the spring on there. All those things built into this. Cannot possibly go wrong with this set, especially if this is a gift for somebody, you're gonna make them really happy because boys really love that sound so much. I guess there are some girls who really like that sound as well. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.